What if I told you that the people around you reveal their secrets without saying a word? That you could instantly know who's lying, who secretly watches you, and how to get respect without raising your voice? Stay with me, because what you're about to learn will quietly make you the smartest person in every room you walk into. Before we dive in, remember, understanding psychology in a lab is complicated, but using psychological tricks in real life, surprisingly simple and life-changing. Today, I'll share 12 powerful psychology tricks that can make conversations smoother, decisions faster, and relationships stronger. Let's begin. If you feel someone isn't telling the whole truth, don't argue. Don't repeat the question. Just look at them. Quietly. Steadily. Humans hate silent eye contact. Their brain looks for relief, and the fastest relief is telling the truth. Try it once. You'll be shocked. Ever felt someone was staring at you, but you couldn't catch who? Here's the hack. Just yawn, then glance around. Yawns are contagious. The person who is secretly watching you will yawn too. Instant identification. The more options you have, the harder your brain works, and the worse your decisions become. In one famous study, people avoided buying anything when offered 24 options, but bought more when only 6 were available. So next time you're choosing something important, keep the choices small. 2 is ideal. Some people avoid eye contact. Some overdo it. Both feel uncomfortable. Here's the fix. When you talk to someone, simply notice their eye color. You're not staring, you're observing, and it naturally creates the perfect amount of eye contact. Text messages are easy to ignore. Phone calls are easy to reject. But when you ask for help in person, people say yes far more often because face-to-face requests trigger empathy and social responsibility. So if something matters, ask personally. Before you sleep, mentally walk through a task you keep delaying, when you'll do it, how you'll start, and what the steps look like. Your brain starts treating the task as familiar. The next day, you begin effortlessly. Mental rehearsal is powerful. Feeling nervous before an exam, interview, or stage talk. Chew gum. It tricks your brain into believing you're relaxed, because we usually don't eat when we're in danger. Stress hormones drop. Calm increases. If someone dislikes you, ask them for a tiny favor. Not money. Something simple like borrowing a pen. If they help you, their brain subconsciously shifts. Maybe they're not as bad as I thought because I helped them. It's called the Ben Franklin effect. And it works. Your emotions follow your actions. If you force a smile for just 5 seconds, your brain releases chemicals that actually improve your mood. Body first. Feelings second. Unresolved thoughts swirl in the mind endlessly. But when you write them down, you take control. Studies show writing reduces stress, anxiety, and emotional overload. The pen can heal in ways the mind alone can't. Want to be remembered? Remember names. Nothing sounds sweeter to a person than hearing their own name. Use it naturally in conversation, and watch how people warm to you instantly. If you struggle to start things, workouts, studying, chores, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Your brain shifts from autopilot to action mode. It interrupts hesitation and pushes you forward before excuses build up. Use it daily. It works. You don't need a psychology degree to change your life. Just awareness and small actions. If any one of these tricks spoke to you, apply it today. Not tomorrow, today. Because the moment you understand how the mind works, the world becomes easier.